will dream about your fingers on me. You will tell me that I'm wrong, but I will tell myself you'll always want me. You say I think too much, and I thought you're always mine. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Love or Lick Thereof by Isaac Dunbar. It's a very easy song. We're using 4 basic chords. Just make sure your guitar's in start tuning and your capo's on fret number 1. Okay? So we're playing it like this. So the first chord is C, and the way we're going to be strumming, we're using our thumb to make it mellow, but also we're going to be just strumming down. So that's 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So C, E minor, A minor, and then F. Those are your chords, okay? C, E minor, A minor, and then F. And I will tell myself you'll always love me, and your hands up on me. C, E minor, A minor, and then F. Now, if you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using here, you can check out my chord video. It has a detailed illustration on how to hold the chords, and then you can come back to this video for the progressions. Otherwise, that's been it. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.